Hello guys, good evening. Here from Nigeria, Lagos. How na dey? Hope na dey very alright. Here to my return subscriber, I love you all for watching my videos. You are the best. For the people that are watching me for the very first time, I give you a thumb up. You are doing well, and I love you. And I urge you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. And make sure you turn on the notification bell to notify you. You'll be the first person to see it when we drop a new video. So thank you very much. Today I'm going to talk about middle finger part 2. About like 1-2 months ago, I did a magical power of a middle finger. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use middle finger to attract whites and to control your enemy, even to control people, yes, but not for bad. Yeah, I'm still at work now. I just said let me quickly do this video so that I will not forget. The ingredients we needed for this video, we need 3 ingredients for it. For this ritual, a small ritual that we can use with our middle finger that will work for us to gain more power to control our enemies, and at the same time to attract money to ourselves. So what are the 3 ingredients we need? We need a cat eye leaf. You will see it on your screen right now. Some cat eye leaves. You go and pluck some. You put it in a bowl. You will get one alligator pepper, a whole 1 alligator pepper. You will get that one. You will remove all the seed from the alligator pepper. You will not let any one of it to drop on the ground. So you will remove all. You make sure that you remove all the seed and put it on top of the cat eye leaf. So after that, you can put it in a blender or in a grinding stone and grind or blend carefully. You will not let any of the leaf or the alligator pepper to throw away or drop on the floor. After blending it, you will transfer it from your blender and put it on a bowl or a small pan. So after that, you will now add original honey to it. Original honey. They are fake honey, they are original honey. Please make sure that the honey is original, authentic one. So you will add the original honey into the mixture. You will now use your middle finger to mix the mixture together. You will use your middle finger. The middle finger will make the mixture to very effective. It will be very effective when you use your middle finger to mix it together. So after mixing it together, as you are mixing it together, you will be saying your intention into the mixture. You are doing that ritual for you to be gaining weight on a daily basis. If you are selling a market or you have a shop, so by using this mixture, you'll be gaining more customers, you'll be making more sales. And you can use this mixture to control your enemy. Yes, you can use it to control people at the same time. So after using your middle finger to mix the mixture together, you say your intention to it, you pray on it very well. After the prayers, you will cover it. The next day, you will start using it. The next day, you will start using anything you want before going out. And if you want to command anyone with it, don't use it for evil. It does not work for evil. Do you get it? Don't use for anything evil, anything negativity. So command anything you want with it. If you want to command anybody, please come, this and that, I want you to come to me right now, blah blah. Just put the mixture in your mouth, you lick it, and you say your intention, anything you want with it. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you share it to your friends. You should share it to your people so that the video will go viral. Thank you very much. And once again, make sure you click on the notification button to notify you the next time we drop a new video. You'll be the one to see it. And then make sure you click on subscribe. Please subscribe. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I love you. Bye.